Okay, welcome to However the Wind Blows with Bob and Ange. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Everybody that knows that a pickup camper, or maybe everyone, I'm not sure, but you always had to pick these things up and you put them in here and then slide them all the way in. But now, let me just show you. So you put this in here like this, and then you slide it up, and then you slide this in like this, and then you put the other one in. Well, I'm like, this is brutal. And when it's on the ground, it's even worse. So what I've come up with is I come up with a piece of U. It's U 1/4 inch channel. And I welded that in there. And then I made this. It's nothing but a slide rack. So that when it goes in there, now all you got to do is you put one there and it sits in and locks in place. And one right here. And just slide it in. So no more trying to fight them when they're inside. Because that, folks, is brutal. And I don't know how to end this video, but there you go. So I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe you can build yours the same way.
If you want more information, leave a comment below.
Perfect.